In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background in Google Keep. Whether you're looking to personalize your notes or just want a fresh look when you open them every day, swapping out the background is a simple and quick task. Let's go through each step together so you can customize your Google Keep notes in no time. First, open up your Google browser and navigate to the Google Keep homepage. You can search for Google Keep and click on the link or type the address directly, keep.google.com. Once you're there, you'll see a list of your notes, reminders, and any labels you might have set up. Google Keep is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, so finding your way around should be straightforward. Next, within Google Keep, click on the specific note whose background you'd like to change. If you don't have a note yet, you can create a new one by clicking on the Take a Note field and entering your content. When you click on the note, it will open and fill your screen with the current content. It's a great way to focus on one note at a time without distractions. With your note open, look towards the top or bottom right corner where you'll find a row of icons. These offer a range of options for customizing your note, such as adding labels, setting reminders, and more. Among these icons, find the palette icon. It looks like a small palette used for painting, which is fitting since we're about to color your note. Clicking on the palette icon will present you with a selection of different background colors and designs. You might see options ranging from simple solid colors to more vivid patterns. Don't worry about making the wrong choice here. Each selection will update your notes background instantly, so you can see how it looks and decide what suits your mood or style best. Once you've found a background you like, simply click on it and your notes background will change immediately. If you try a few options and want to compare them, feel free to click around. There's no limit to how many times you can change your notes background, so experiment as much as you like. Finally, once you're satisfied with your choice, look for the close button to save and finalize your changes. It typically looks like an X or just a close option at the top of the note. Clicking this will close the note view, taking you back to the main Google Keep screen where you can see your neatly customized note among others. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully changed the background of your Google Keep note. This is a great way to make your digital note-taking more personal and visually appealing, ensuring that each time you return to your notes, you're greeted with a background that reflects your style. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing.